Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil in your Subaru Outback. First, gather your essential tools and supplies. You'll need a new oil filter, about 5½ quarts of the correct engine oil, a drain pan, a wrench for the drain plug, and an oil filter wrench. Always ensure your vehicle is on a level surface and safely supported before you begin any work underneath. Now, let's drain the old oil. Position your drain pan directly under the oil drain plug, which is typically found on the bottom of the oil pan. Using your wrench, carefully loosen and remove the drain plug. Be prepared for the oil to flow out quickly. Allow at least 10 to 15 minutes for all the old, dirty engine oil to completely drain into the pan. With the old oil drained, it's time to replace the oil filter. Locate the old filter, usually a cylindrical canister. Use your oil filter wrench to carefully loosen and remove it, being mindful of any residual oil. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin film of fresh engine oil to its rubber gasket. Hand tighten the new filter until snug, then give it about 1/4 to 1/2 turn more. Finally, let's add the fresh engine oil. First, reinstall the oil drain plug and tighten it firmly to prevent leaks. Then, carefully pour about 5½ quarts of the recommended new engine oil into the oil fill port. After adding the oil, start the engine briefly, then turn it off. Wait a few minutes, then check the oil level with the dipstick and inspect for any leaks.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.